Imagine standing on a planet where the winds scream at 7,000 kilometers per hour, where the temperature melts metal, and instead of water, glass rains from the sky. Yes, real glass. Scientists have actually discovered a world where molten glass forms in the atmosphere and falls like deadly rain. But the most terrifying part, the glass rain doesn't fall down, it falls sideways. Welcome to one of the most extreme planets ever discovered in the universe, a planet called HD 189,733b. HD 189,733b is an exoplanet located about 64 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Vulpecula. At first glance, it looks strangely beautiful. In telescope images, the planet appears deep blue, almost like Earth. For a moment, scientists even thought it might resemble our own planet. But that blue color is a deadly illusion. Unlike Earth's oceans, this planet's color comes from silicate particles in the atmosphere, the same material used to make glass, and under the planet's extreme heat and pressure, those particles turn into tiny shards of molten glass. HD 189733b belongs to a class of planets called hot Jupiters. These are giant gas planets similar to Jupiter, but they orbit extremely close to their stars. HD 189,733b is so close to its star that 1 year there lasts only about to point to Earth days. Because of this, the planet is constantly blasted by intense radiation. The temperature on the planet can reach over 1,000 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt many metals. But the most insane part is the atmosphere. Scientists believe this planet experiences winds moving at over 7,000 kilometers per hour. For comparison, the fastest hurricanes on Earth reach about 250 kilometers per hour. That means the winds on HD 189,733b are almost 30 times faster. Now imagine what happens when you combine molten silicate particles, a superheated atmosphere, and winds moving thousands of kilometers per hour. The result is something terrifying. Glass rain. In the upper atmosphere, silicate particles vaporize due to the extreme heat. As they cool slightly, they condense into tiny glass droplets. But instead of falling gently like rain, the planet's violent winds blast these glass particles sideways at thousands of kilometers per hour. Imagine millions of microscopic glass shards flying through the air like bullets. Anything caught in that storm would be shredded instantly. It would be the most brutal weather system imaginable. So, why does this deadly planet appear beautifully blue? The answer lies in light scattering. The tiny glass particles in the atmosphere scatter blue wavelengths of light from the star. This is somewhat similar to why Earth's sky appears blue. But instead of air molecules, it's glass dust reflecting the light. So from far away, HD 189,733b looks calm, mysterious, and even peaceful. But in reality, it's one of the most violent planets scientists have ever discovered.